All right, so we just installed the VIVOSUN GrowHub E42A Plus, and this thing is awesome. It partners with the Grow Tent. It controls all the different features, all the VIVOSUN products that you need, your lighting, your air, fans, things like that. You can also buy extra accessories for us, control outlets, things like that, so you can even use your own systems. Controls all the grow light features, the light intensity, different stages of your grow, circulation fans, your duct fan, and then anything else you want to control with this. It also has an app that goes with this, so we can monitor our grow from anywhere and also adjust lighting and adjust schedules. It has some great recipes in here, so you can set up your initial grows and then just kind of track those as you go. This thing is definitely a game changer. It has a magnet here that attaches to the grow tent, then all the wires and stuff tucked nice and neatly into the grow tent itself. So if you guys want to upgrade your game, this is definitely worth checking out.